Hi there, students. Eminent, an adjective. Eminence, a noun. And eminently, an adverb. Okay, we use eminent as an adjective to describe a distinguished and important person, a famous and respected person, especially for achievement in a particular field. An eminent scientist, an eminent lawyer, an eminent public figure. And we usually use this for people who are famous for their knowledge, not normally for physical skills. Eminent mathematician, an eminent historian. It implies understanding. It implies seniority. An eminent professor. The other use of the word eminent means remarkable, outstanding, great. His eminent fairness is clear for all to see. We very often use the word eminently, the adverb, instead of very. This is eminently suitable. He is eminently qualified for the job. Clearly, outstandingly. His eminent suitability for the job is clear. So, eminent, illustrious, distinguished, renowned, esteemed for famous people. And then eminent, a positive quality present to a notable degree. Obvious, clear, conspicuous, marked. The eminent candidate for the job is the first person we saw. Okay? So, an eminent person, an eminent figure, famous in society, but for knowledge, for understanding, for responsibility, for something like that, or to a great degree, a lot, a positive quality of which there is a lot of. Okay, the eminence of this candidate is clear. His eminence is very obvious for all to see. Notice as well, your eminence is the way you should address a cardinal. When is his eminence coming? That's formal English in itself. But normally this word eminent, eminently, I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. I think it's something flexible that you could use in an informal conversation and in a very formal document. So that's useful. As to origin, there's a Latin verb eminere, meaning to project, to stick out, to jut out. Outstanding. So, an eminent teacher once told me, eminent, distinguished as important. This is eminently the right choice. It's clearly the right choice. So there you go, eminent and eminently. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Eminent, eminently, eminence.